Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the lunchtime market update for Friday, April 3rd, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we are at the market here. So SPX monthly chart. So that candle that was green earlier has turned red. We're down 50 points so far on the day. The monthly chart here is kind of holding on to that monthly cloud still. Again, having trouble here on the last day of the week getting over that bullish engulfing week. So just a failed follow through on that one this week as it's coming down right now. Of course, we still have half a day left. We could see if they do any end of the day shenanigans to get this thing tried to go green. Daily chart, again, key level is to get above the initial trendline breakout level right here. All it's doing is retesting it right now. We came off of yesterday's highs pretty quickly today and are testing that downward trend line. Let's take a look at the SPY. Okay, so SPY failed to take the inside day up, and a lot of times that happens, right? It likes to at least get 50% of the range of the inside day and possibly even test the other end. So we're still seeing that in the works right now on the SPY. Let's go to the price action here today on the 15-minute chart. So you can see how our orbs look this morning. So we had a couple good trades on this one today. We got a nice short on SPY this morning, and a couple other good setups here into the early afternoon. So that's been a go on. Let's take a look at the futures. Okay, so futures kind of holding up these lows right now, so turning into a doji spinning top. Let's see if that turns into a doji sandwich. Let's look at the micros. Okay, another doji here too as well. So some pretty interesting stuff there. Let's take a look at Apple and see how that's behaving today. Okay, so Apple pretty similar. Pretty tricky price action here today. We did have a little bit of a flag breakdown right here, or a channel breakdown. We'll get that drawn on that right there, if it'll let me. There we go. A little bit of a channel breakdown right here for a nice move down. Inside 15 down. Didn't really do too much of the 15 orb until one final push right there with the rest of the market. Tesla. So Tesla with an earnings win yesterday, right, or a delivery win yesterday, but really couldn't gap up as high as it was looking last night. So there was a big pullback pre-market here, right? And that gave a lot of momentum into the open. So it actually gave a good short opportunity here at the open to we're just seeing some continued downside on this one. So big candle here as it broke down, one of the key pre-market levels here at the open, and so that was a good one. And basically another one too, Twitter. Twitter went red after a Goldman Sachs upgrade. Did they upgrade it just so they could get out of the position? Perhaps. It certainly looks that way with the way it's trending here with price day. Chewy, let's take a look here. So earnings today. Unfortunately, it's just kind of hanging out within its 15 orb range right now. Buddy's not too happy about that one, but that's kind of where it is right here. So it's getting pretty tight right here. See if it gives another move here into the end of the day. A few chart requests out there. Let's take a look. So we've got Disney. So Disney had some rough news again, just talking about furloughing more people, right? I mean, having trouble with their with Corona and all that stuff. I mean, they got theme parks, they got movies. I mean, all this stuff involves stuff that doesn't entail social distancing, and so it's been struggling right here. It's tried to take the inside day down, but it's really kind of holding this pennant right here. So let's see how that holds up going into the weekend. Kroger's a nice one. Got some good follow through. Had a good strong candle yesterday with increasing volume and got a nice push to the upside today. I really wish it would just kind of close at the highs here with some good volume to get some more upside on that one. But looking pretty good though. So good there. LK. Let's see how that's doing after its abominable day yesterday. Inside day today, so not surprised with that as it's kind of calming down after that nasty down move from the other day. So keep an eye on that. Etsy had some relative strength this morning. We pointed that out on the live stream this morning. Got a nice push this morning. Let's take a look here at the 15-minute chart. Right, so a big push here through all the pre-market, aftermarket levels, and then a 15-orb breakout. Just some relative strength this morning. Then it came down off of it here with an upper shadow today. So keep an eye on that one. And last but not least, let's take a look at gold. So gold, again, a little bit of a doji right here, but it's kind of hanging in there. So let's see what it does today. Let's see how the market behaves and see how that reacts to it. So good stuff, guys. Well, I really appreciate everybody for your support, for your requests, and for your likes and follows. So I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your day today. We'll see you guys at the market update later. And stay healthy out there. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the